actually demand asa तातूंत घेवपाक जाता in accordance with the JERC regulations. The annual in accordance with the JERC regulations, the annual revenue requirement and tariff filing is considering the overall annual expenditure of the considering the overall annual expenditure of the electricity department operation, including power purchase, salary, operation and maintenance, capital expenditure, etc. The ARR is determined. The ARR is then compared with the projected revenue from the existing tariff of all the consumers. If the total projected revenue from the existing tariff is less than the ARR, then in such a case, a regulator approves a tariff hike to meet the gap. It is clarified that the projected revenue billed from existing tariff is considered by the regulator and not the revenue collected for determining the tariff hike. The Electricity Department of Goa is into regulatory regime under the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission for the State of Goa and Union Territory from year 2011-12 onwards, and so far has got tariff revision that is with effect from 1/6/2012 for 11.8%, with effect from 1/4/2014 for 7.6%, with effect from 1/4/2015 for 14%, with effect from 1/4/16 for 4.85%, and with effect from 1/4/2018 for 6.37%, with effect from 1/4/2022 for 1.58%, with effect from 1/4/2023 for 5.19%, and from 16/2/2024 for 3.5%. For FY 2025-26, the Electricity Department has proposed an overall marginal tariff hike of 5.75%, out of which for LT domestic consumer, the initial two lower slab, which is covering approximately 70% of the domestic consumers, have been subject to minimal increase of 3%, whereas the slabs for higher consumption have seen relatively higher hike. The table वाचना तुमका दिला energy charge table दिना there. It is to mention that compared to other states like Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi and Punjab, in the country, Goa has one of the lowest electricity tariffs, whereas the per capita income is the highest. The comparison of tariffs for domestic consumers between Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra is provided is as follows. I don't want to quote that unnecessarily, that time this will be there. You can see the chart. As regards to the prepaid smart meter project, it is introduced in the state as a part of the central government initiative to install smart meters for all consumers across the country under the revamped distribution sector scheme of the Ministry of Power, Government of India. The scheme aims to transform the electricity distribution sector by improving the operational efficiency and financial sustainability of state-owned distribution company. As per the scheme, the project is implemented in OPEX mode and the department has not to pay any amount outright to the vendor till the project is commissioned. The project implementation time is 27 months and the vendor will operate and maintain the system for the next 93 months. Even after successful implementation, the vendor will be paid on per meter per basis for 7.5 lakh smart meters to be replaced under the project. Cost payable to the vendor per meter per month is rupees 117.50 and the total cost payable per month is rupees 9.57 crores per month. The per meter per month cost of 117.5 will be a part of the tariff petition filed by the department with the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission. The impact of the project cost will be minimal on the consumer, considering that the project is implemented in OPEX mode and vendor will be paid over a period of 93 months. The implementation of smart meters will benefit the consumer in multiple folds: accurate and transparent billing. Smart meters provide accurate real-time readings of energy consumption to the consumers. This will result in enhanced transparency, avoiding any surprise due to the high bill as a result of higher consumption. Consumer empowerment allows the consumer to track their own consumption pattern, leading to more conscious usage and potential energy saving. Smart metering results in better load forecasting and scheduling for the state, thereby reducing the power purchase cost that will be passed over to the consumer. Smart metering system can detect and report power outages, allowing faster restoration of power and better services of the consumer. Smart metering system can also detect the additional loading of the transformer and the distribution line, result in better voltage profile and quality power to consumers. There will also be substantial reduction in power losses. The savings due to the reduction of AT&C losses will also be passed over the consumers. By introduction of TOD tariff, it is possible for the consumer to operate non-essential load during off-peak period, thereby reducing power cost. Environmental benefits. As a smart metering promotes energy conservation, there will be reduction in the carbon footprint.
Speaker sir, हो इश्यू जो पावर टॅरिफ हायक हो खूब महत्वाचो. जेन्ना स्पीकर सर पयलो मंत्री जो पावर मिनिस्टर आहा, खूब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपिरियन्स. कोणा पावर दिवपाचो, कोणागे पावर काडपाचो, कोणागेलो फ्यूज घालपाचो, कोणागेलो फ्यूज काडपाचो, हेतूं खूब म्हायती आहा. ती फ्यूज काँग्रेसाचे काडे, बीजेपीचे काडे, दोन्ही दोगांगेले काडे. पूण आज प्रश्न हा लोकाले प्रश्न आज जे पडे आहे, पीपल टुडे आर मेड पावरलेस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हायक. स्पीकर साहेब हांव कित्याक म्हणटा, आनी हो एक डबल शॉक प्रपोज्ड हायक पड आहा गोंयांत. द रेट्स यू हॅव प्लेस्ड इट, आनी हेजेर 0 to 100 युनिट्स, 100 to 200, 200 to 300 हो एक चार्ट दिला आनी तेच प्रमाणे इन्क्रीज जाला ऑन एन एवरेज अबाउट 4 to 5%, 5% एवरेज. आतां स्पीकर सर हे हायक पडे हा म्हाका दिसता हेका आमी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ओपोज इट. कित्याक वी हॅव गिवन आर टू द जर्क ऑल्सो इन रायटिंग. आज स्पीकर सर प्रश्न इज बिकॉज द डिपार्टमेंट हॅज नॉट कलेक्टेड almost 600 crores of dues. Last 2-3 years we are saying that the department has to collect the dues. We are in detail आमी demands ache uloitle, but with this hike you will get about 200 crores with this hike currently in every year. Ata with this 200 crores speaker sir, if je soila tuge chart fail jalar electricity department achi paso bila pending hai. Government agele kitle department acho bila pending hai. आज speaker sir म्हाका दिसता कि January 2022 you have replaces JERC is an authority to hike the fee and whatever. January 2022 JERC approved a tariff hike by Goa Electricity Department, but the government intervened and decided not to freeze that. Why? Because election ahli mo. Election ahone ye bond dolne. Election jal motri my light ye bill vadhoilne. Speaker sir hejer dista ki sarkar is playing games, establishing with the common man. आज बारीक लोकांकडे ही बिल हारी करपा जायना आनी हे वाडवता आसा. ही इज हाइक्ड इट एवरी इयर देर विल बी अ हाइक. एवरी इयर इट इज प्रपोज्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 years that there will be a hike. आता स्पीकर सर स्मार्ट सिटीचो आमचो पणजेचो आमदार हिंगा आहा. स्मार्ट हेजेर येता स्मार्ट तुगे मिटराचे. And स्पीकर सर दिस स्मार्ट मीटर पड हाय, दिस हॅव बीन यूज्ड इन जे मेट्रो सिटीज हाय. इट इज सक्सेसफुल डे. तुवें आमकां सांगचें की your cost for the smart idea to install smart meters was 467 crores. 467 crore allo speaker sir cost. आणि दोन बिडर एकलो अडानी आणि एकलो DG Smart. They bid it 90% more, 890 crores So from 467, the bid was Eklan Kelly 1075 and the person who got it at 890 crores. And that's because, sir, this decision was then sent to work board because it was higher than that. And after work board speaker, sir, same member per decision geli, that member book board hai. Ada chief engineer halo, power secretary halo, chief secretary halo, and additional secretary finance. They were there. This looks like conflict of interest. I'll tell you why. Then nantar tumi REC, Rural Electrification Corporation ache, tek gaili mukar. That REC.
I will just correct you, sir.
Yes.
Because, sir, after works board, this went to a cabinet. It's a cabinet issue. I would
Because,
just
sir,
to
I'm
bring
not talking about the cabinet. Ek minute.
See,
It is not, cabinet was the end. Just 1 minute.
that is
At
the
the
reason
start, the same.
I'm-
Sangote ek minute, let me speak.
I like the read. बरे कॉलिंग अटेन्शन म्हटल्यानंतर 3 प्रश्न विचारपाचे विचारा तुम्ही
Speaker, sir,
आज
प्रश्न
today-
पाच इंसान दी
ऐक,
बाबा.
ऐक.
Calling
डिमांड
attention
असा, आज
means the
डिमांड
minute
असा.
after minister
ऐक ना,
gives his answer, we
आज
get 20
speaker,
minutes.
sir,
मुझे
आज
माहिती आहे तसं.
आज डिमांड असा.
एक minute, no. उलवेन दे वरती.
आता हाय ते म्हणून म्हाका जाय का ऑब्जेक्शन घेवपाचें ना पूण
Because, sir,
रूल सेज
I'll tell you what the rule says. I'll tell you what the rule says. Speaker, sir,
I am just quoting the rule. If he
Speaker, sir.
wants, he can discuss in demand.
Okay, ek minute, Speaker, sir, I'll tell you the rule. The rule under 63(4), it says, provided that no in case the matter is discussed beyond 20 minutes and computation for time or for discussion will start from the time when the minister completes his statement. You finished at 2:37. I've spoken for only 4 minutes. So there are
All
answers.
are there.
No, that's okay. I'll speak, I'll finish it. So te tu 3 question bin saro mate poili te. At kai na te.
काय ना?
Sir, आता
काय ना?
राज
उलयत रावपाचें?
ना उलय ना तीन बंद कोता उलयत मोठे उलोवपा दी
ना,
म्हाका
उलय
डिस्टर्ब
तूं,
कोनाका
उलय तूं.
आय हॅव सेड जे मनशांनी टेंडर फ्लोट केल्लो वर्क बोर्डा तेच मेंबर आहाय तेच नंतर REC स्पीकर सर इज फायनान्सिंग कंपनी हायर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द टेंडर मीन्स हायर मनी फॉर देम थिंगाय कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मागीर TSC गेले TSC एडवायझरी कमिटी ऑल्सो हेडेड बाय C so you check about this particular part and that's because sir जो 890 कोटीचो जो टेंडर हा तितूमध्ये फक्त 70 कोटी is from central government 820 crores is from the state government you will recover it will starts in 93 months sarke almost 8 years on an average 110 odd crores if you look at 890 crores so or additional burden एक गोंयकाराचे कितलो जातलो म्हयन्या प्रमाणे 890 crores divided by 93 months there are 7,28,000 consumers today I have the chart of the 7 lakhs now domestic I 581 commercial I 130 commercial HT I 370 हे chart हा 7 तुगेलो answer तो so तुवें आमकां सांगचें की हो particular part लोकांचेर हेजो कितलो भार पडलो दुसरो स्पीकर सर इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू म्हणटाय ते आज जोरी तर तुगे पेंडिंग ड्यूज चयल्यात पब्लिक सर्विसेस 108 crores industrial 254 crores domestic 94 crores commercial 145 crores agriculture 3.5 अरे हे रिकवर कर मरे हे रिकवर केल्यार तुका ती हायक करपाक गरज नासली तुका 200 crore हिंगातले this is almost 600 crores secondly speaker sir हो एक I want an answer from you on the smart meter now हो एक तुवें public notice you had put a public notice was on relocation of electricity meters for ease of access intun 39,984 meters today you are say cannot be read sarke तुवें तांकां नोव्हेंबरा चेंज करपा लायला पब्लिक नोटीस दिल्या एवरेज 10,000 रुपया लागतले 1 मिटराक 10,000 रुपया म्हणजे 40 कोटी रुपया जाय हे कोण दितले लोक दितले सो मुगे मीटर जो भितर हा हांवें काण 10,000 दिवपाचे अरे this is opposite of what is smart meter when you are putting it can be accessed from anywhere you put a meter here your department can read it from sitting down in their office so why are you asking 39,000 people to change the location I don't understand point पड हा स्पीकर सर 40,000 लोकांक तो मोठा एक्सेस ना नोटीस काढ्या तो मीटर भायल्या हाडपाक कर मो तांकां 10,000 रुपया will you relook into this जेन्ना तूं स्मार्ट मीटर डिसेंबराक घालो पावता जाल्यार why are you burdening them with 10,000 rupees This is smart city. I thought only was smart. This is you have to withdraw this circular.
Yes.
This now speaker sir. एक हांव मंत्री सांगपाक सोदता की म्हाका दिसता you are senior, but तुगेलो seeing दिसतीपणा. पण तोय senior आहा. He knows to everything he does. He was brought from Ambani's office. He was working for Reliance. And हे चोय सारखे, which has an app which can be, I can check what is my bill in London, in the US, your department can sit at home, and हे meter reader पडे हाय तुकडे इतले. तेंच तू कित कोतलो? तेंगे रोल कितें? हेज नंतर हे मीटर रिडरान तेंक मिटा मारपाचे, कित करपाचे? सांग, स्मार्ट मीटर हाडले एक जातले, and हो circular तुगेलो withdraw कर. It is not in alliance with your smart meter. You either have manual or you have smart.
सर आज आम्ही हे कॉलिंग एटेन्शन कित्याक मूव केला. आम्ही पळयता की सरकार जो आसा तो रिणां काढून प्रोग्राम्स करता, इव्हेंट्स करता, पण सामान्य गोंयकारा कडेन रिणां काडपाक जायना. आणि आयज जे व्हडले व्हडले जे बिझनेसमॅन आसा, गब्बर बिझनेसमॅन, हेंच्यांनी रिणां काडली आणि ती रिणां काडून पावले इंडियाच्या भायर पावले आणि तेंची रिणां वे ऑफूय केल्ली आसा. बिकॉज ना स्पेसिफीक कित्याक सांगता, कित्याक जाला की गोंयकारांची जेन्ना बिलां पे करिना तेन्ना विथीन 3 months कनेक्शन कट करपाक येता, कातर मारपाक येता, कट करता. आणि हे व्हडले व्हडले आतां युरी बाबान सांगले की कितले कमर्शियल, इंडस्ट्रियल जावं जो डिपार्टमेंटाचे पब्लीक सर्विसीस आसा तेंचेच कितलेशे म्हटल्यार 600 कोटी सुमार अजून कांयच येना. स्पीकर जर तितून वयल्यान आनी एक बर्डन हाडटा, आनी एक माथ्यार घालता, ते म्हणजे जो टॅरिफ आसा ती हायक दिवपाची. म्हटल्यार ऑलमोस्ट एवरेज आमी पळयता ती 6% हायक जातली. आता पयलूच लोकां कडेन पयसो ना, म्हारगाय इतली वाडलेली आसा आनी म्हारगायेच्याच वाडोवन आयज आमच्या बोल्सान आनीक कातर कट करता की ते आसा तेय काबार जावपाचे. सो प्रत्येक कडेन स्पीकर जर प्रत्येक कडेन आयज हो जो सरकार आसा हो सरकार गोंयकारांचेर अन्याय करता. तशेंच आमी पळयता की जो सरकाराचो लेटस्ट जो हे केल्लो आसा की स्मार्ट मिटर हाडपाचे. आता स्मार्ट मिटर कोणाचे हितूनच्यान हाडटले? परत एकदा गोंयकारांचे, म्हटल्यार सामान्य गोंयकार जो आसा तो सामान्य गोंयकाराचे बोल्सांचे परत पयशे काडटले. सो प्रत्येक कडेन स्पीकर जर आता हितून कितलेशे कोटी खर्च जातले आणि ते आमचे टॅक्स पेयर जो आमचो लोक सामान्य गोंयकार आसा तेंचो कट जातलो. सो हेच्या बाबतींत म्हाका दिसता सरकारान आपणाची स्टँड क्लियर करपाची गरज आसा आणि सामान्य गोंयकाराचेर घालपाचे ना. हो फाटी घेवचो स्टँड.
Honorable Speaker, पहिले म्हाका एक रिप्लाय येयला in my unstarred LAQ number 45 of 21st July 2025, and I insulted teka what is that amount which they are spending. The amount they are spending is 890 crores 11 lakhs 97,693 for these smart meters. आणि next प्रश्न इंचारला the digital meters सध्या आहा आमकडे. What is the status of these? Are they functional, not functional? And kit kotle. They say that the existing digital meters, although functional, are based on old technical specification. Mula choltat te. Then they ask what you will do with them. Dispose of a scrap. Amge motor rahat tenna, azun choltat tenna, ami scrap mon khuni dinat te, am azun choloitat. So I don't understand. Existing digital meters, why don't you auction and give it out, not as scrap, but and recover that money, because you will at least get some revenue. Second part of it, first is about recovery of the cost. How will you recover the cost of this 890 crores by passing it on the consumer? Therefore, our meter rent will go up. And last question I have for the Honorable Minister is, this smart meter model, is it going to be something like a prepaid, ami poish boron electricity घेवपाचे आणि push board na zala electricity bond? Let him just clarify this.
Yes, Srivanji. In short, 20 minutes झाले already.
सामकी शॉर्ट करता साम लाईटी भाशेनच स्पीकर सर आम्ही कॉलिंग अटेन्शन
काय रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय तुमच्या आनी बाकी उरले पळय मारते.
डिमांडा उलया उलेल
20 मिनिटं स्टार्ट जाले. आफ्टर मिनिस्टर फिनिशेस रिप्लाय एज पर द रूल. सो 237 काबार जालें, 257 काबार जावपा जाय. 7 मिनिटं आहाय.
स्पीकर सर सामकी सोंपें आनी ऑल टेक्निकल काय ना. स्पीकर सर घराको लायट ना, फ्रिजीन तोंड उदक ना, भुरगीं म्हणटा आयस्क्रीम ना, लायट ना म्हूण रेंज ना, लायट बील फारीक करपाक पयशे ना, आनी मुख्यमंत्री कितें म्हणटा दिवपाची गरज ना. आणि हे सगळे आता हे एक हितू काबार केला. सो तेगे लायट ना जाल्यार रेंज ना आनी रेंज ना जाल्यार हे स्मार्ट मिटर आनी स्मार्ट उरपा ना. सो म्हाका दिसता ह्यो सगल्यो गजाल्यो आमकां सांगले
Yes.
हो स्मार्ट मिटर म्हणटा तो तुगेले पयशे लायटी बंदोबस्त पयलीं सारको घाल 24 hours कंटिन्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गांवांत दी. पयलीं तुगे गांवांत दी, तुगे वाड्या दी, मागीर आमकां दी आनी मागीर हे स्मार्ट मिटर बसयात. तेच प्रमाणे हे स्मार्ट मिटर आमी बसोवचे.
श्री क्रोज सिल्वा.
कसं आतां सगळें सांगलां ड्यूज कितले आहाय ते कलेक्शन करपाचे. आतां कलेक्ट केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना आमी रेट आनी वाडोवपाक जाय म्हणून ऑलमोस्ट 6% वाडयलो आहा. सो हे कलेक्शन करप एक एग्जाम्पल PWD ई ऑफिसूय सांगे 55 crores दिवपाचे. हे सगळे टोटल 350 crores गेले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना वाडोवपाक जाय. बिकॉज स्मार्ट मिटराचे परत विचारपाक सोदता. आतां तो स्मार्ट मिटर फेल जालो, बंद जालो, कितें जालें तो काण वतलो. काण वयलो जाल्यार रिप्लेस जावप दिसना. ते घरां पावर आसतलो वो पावर डिस्कनेक्ट जातलो. तेजे भाशेन सांगता सगळे कडेन नेटवर्क खंय आहा स्मार्ट मिटराक नेटवर्क जाय पडटलें. सो हे मातशें म्हाका क्लॅरिफिकेशन.
येस श्री विजय सरदेसाय.
स्पीकर सर, हे ज्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टॅरिफ हायकाचे आमचे पक्षांनी बी JERC पिटिशन केल्लें. स्पीकर सर, मंत्री जस्टिफाय करूंक सोदता दर वाड कशी. गोवा इज वन ऑफ द लोएस्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टॅरिफ वेरएज द पर कॅपिटा इन्कम इज द हायेस्ट. जाय तेन्ना आमी गिरेस्त लोक म्हणून सरकार याद करता. इलेक्शन जेन्ना लागीं येता तेन्ना इतले युनिट फ्री म्हणटा. तेन्ना कित्याक याद जायना आमकां? स्पीकर सर, आमी इतले गिरेस्त म्हणून. तेन्ना तुका गरिबाच्या कानान घालून तुमकां मतां जाय. हे कोत सादें जर कोत काडूंक गेलो जाल्यार हें स्पीकर सर. आनी तातले तातूंत तांणी आतां नवे हाडटात ते क्वेश्चनेबल रेग्युलेटरी चेंजीस, स्मार्ट मिटर चार्जीस आनी ग्रीवन्स रिड्रेसल जो आहा तोय बी सारको फॉल्टी आहा. सो स्पीकर सर, म्हजें तरी पर्सनली स्ट्रॉंग ऑब्जेक्शन आहा हाका. आनी म्हाका दिसता की सरकार एक की आमी गिरेस्त लोक हें सांगून आमचो डिस्पोजेबल इन्कम काबार करता. बेन्झीन म्हणल्या ते भशेन जेवणाक, शिक्षणाक, धंद्याक पयशे ना अशी परिस्थिती हाडटा. आनी हें कितें हें फक्त कमर्शियल, इंडस्ट्रियल, एग्रीकल्चर, पब्लीक लायटींग, सायन बोर्ड्स आनी इवन इलेक्ट्रीक व्हेकल चार्जिंग. सो स्पीकर सर, गोंय म्हणटा तें विल बिकम लेस कॉम्पिटिटीव एज कम्पेर्ड टू नेबरिंग स्टेट्स. स्पीकर सर, एग्रीकल्चर